Alright guys and girls, look, Chico Wise, look, I'm going to install this UFO reload and press light on my Dillon 650. This is made by KMS. They are veteran owned and operated, which is always a plus in my book. This is the light for the Dillon 650. It's a kit, KMS². So there's their website. LED. I think I'm going to enjoy this. Alright guys, so this is the UFO 650 reload and press light. First thing that stands out is the welcome and thank you note. It says, I'll let you guys read it if you want to pause. But what stands out to me, it says they are small, veteran-owned business, and your feedback is critical to our continued success. We rely on your comments, both positive and negative, to refine our products. That in itself is someone I would like to do business with, because they understand everyone's reviews or use of the product is going to be mixed. You can't make everyone happy. That's just how it is. So this is from KMS², veteran owned and operated, and this is the UFO 650 reload and press light. So you got your LED strip light that's gonna mount to the press. You can see the U shape. It does not go on the tool head. It goes around the press body, stays mounted on the press. You got your on off switch, you got your power supply, and we've got a package with zip ties, some Scotch Brite, and some adhesive retaining type plastics. So we're gonna install it on my 650, my Betty Blue, and I'm gonna show you the before and the after to give you a reference of my view when I'm reloading based on my height. So this is what I see when I'm reloading. Keep in mind, a lot of times I'm tilting my head this way so I can look down in the case. The light that you're seeing is my overhead shop light. Basically, it's an LED light. It does good, in my opinion. It works. I can see the powder charge. And if we lean forward, you can see the powders in there. Keep in mind, when I'm reloading, I can lean over more than I can manipulate this camera. So alright, so I have my LED light strip installed. I'm just making sure it adheres to the press. Give it a little time to set up with the adhesive. And so far, I've already tested the light before I installed it. That is one of the directions the manufacturer company suggests. You want to make sure you check operation of it before you install it on your press. That way, if you have some issues, you can contact them and they will help you out to the best of their ability. So I'm just tightening up the other wiring to it, and pretty soon you guys are gonna see this thing working. All right, so I'm mounted up, powered up. Let's turn on the light. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Definitely a lot more light than I previously had using my overhead shop light. So I know this perspective doesn't give you guys any help, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move the camera and show you my point of view, how I load, what I'm seeing while I load. All right, so this is typically my point of view, how I'm looking at when I load my press. Keep in mind, I am a little closer to the press at times, and so I'll lean over so I can look down in my cases. Basically, when I'm standing here, like I said, I am a little closer, so I will move. But let me just show you real quick when I cut on the light. So that lightens it up pretty nicely. I'll go ahead and switch tool heads. This is a prime case. It's already been sized and primed and even bailed. So I'm gonna put it back in location number 2. Run my powder charge. Let me aim my camera down just a little bit. That is typically my view. I'm gonna roll in some footage. I'll go back and forth between the footage from how it looks with just my regular shop light versus the new UFO light. So I'm gonna run another powder charge. And hopefully you guys can see. So all in all, you can definitely see the powder charge. I think this, so far using it, is going to work perfectly. I'll be able to see if my cases have a charge. I will update my video probably in the comments if I have any issues. I will definitely be giving them feedback. But I want to say thank you. Red Raider Reloading sent me this. So this is not something that I purchased on my own, though I was looking at several different options for a press light, and he sent me a message and said, how can I, could I send you something? And I'll let him know he didn't have to, but he said, man, I want to. So I definitely appreciate him sending me this. I am sorry it took me so long to do a video. I am kind of OCD about videos, so I wanted to make sure that I did a proper video where that I showed me installing it and giving him credit. This center hole right here is free. I normally would put my flashlight and just set it up there. I'd set it up there if I wanted to sit. The problem with that is it would mainly only, I don't want to say only, but mostly light the boat, the center boat. Though you would see some light other places, but this light, based on the design, it is U-shaped, so you it brightens everything up so that you can see all stations. You got your first station, second station, third station, fourth station, fifth station before it drops it in your completed round bin. So again, Red Raider Reloading, thanks brother for sending me this. I really appreciate it. You let me know if there's anything I can do for you. And that is it, guys. Thanks for watching. It's Chico Wise from the Dirty South, and y'all don't forget to check out KMS². Heck, I figured I could not do a video without loading one completed round. So let's do that last visual check. Powder's in the case. Let's drop that Acme bullet in there. Crimping stage. And we all love that sound. Thanks for watching.